gonna plant those coconut trees. Today is this January 10 of 2026. So this is the nature here. This is our house. Ay, sa na. Ouch. Let's have a little house. There. It was built long time ago. And then this is the light. Ay, sa agay. We're bringing actually bolo and crowbar. We're gonna plant coconut and mango. We have bananas. So this is the house. This is so old. It's still fine. This is the boundary here. On the other side is that coconut. Done. That. We already have coconuts and bananas. It's got grassy back. So here, I think it's under there, not bananas. It's 12 by 14 size. And then here it is on the other side. So it does have like lots of coconuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're gonna plant 2, and then we're gonna plant mangoes too. This is the durian that I have told you that I planted during my college years, 2023. That's it for now. Bye-bye. I'm here in Japan. It hasn't looked new. Bye. That's very nice here. Our neighbors is on that side, on the upper side. And there's a neighbor. I think balay dira ba no? Was down there. And there. That's it for now. Morning, Bobby. So, operation clean. Just clean a bit if you're gonna plant some coconut. Saan man iban?
Putulan na.
Ay, basig. Nakaon na ban? Kaya na ban?
Ha?
We are here in Kipaypayon. We are going to plant some coconut trees. Like this. Oh, one, we have 2. And this. Malagyan na ka ba? Malagyan na? We're gonna go plant. And we have some mango. Ay, saan ba? There's a mango. Ito lang lula.
Yung likuha. Dapat ilagyan mo.
Abay pa na. From here, kung kinakain ba?
Nilagyan na ito.
Oh, marag na pa dito. Pero kanina sa akong kuha. This is our first coconut tree planted for this one. Oh. from this onto this. And that. And then that's more branches. That's called Madrid de Cacao for holding the grounds, not to collapse. And then we put some, what do we call this? Healthier soil. Also this from there. And that is because there's lots of material that dried leaves that already rot, so we put them there. Like this. Sige kuya, anak ko yung tiwasa. Dara. Then also there. That's it for now from here. So this is our tools, man. We have this crowbar. Lampas, always lampas in the mountain. Oh my god, fun. Sit down for heavy dresses or something. That's it.
All glory to God. Thank you for watching, amping, and take care. Bye bye.